Writing software tests for your app usually goes like this. Write a statement, run it, oh, there's a mistake, repeat. This seems like the hard way. But thankfully, the open source community has a couple of answers for us, like Cypress, Selenium, and Puppeteer. And in this video, I'll focus on Playwright, specifically how Playwright can help automate a lot of test writing with CodePen. For the uninitiated, Playwright is an open source automation library created by Microsoft. It's designed to enable developers and testers to write reliable and efficient tests for web applications. It's cross-platform and officially compatible with the major browsers. But the real reason we're here is to walk through Playwright's Codegen feature. Let's take our sample application here and first install Playwright through npx. You'll get asked some questions, and I'll just take the default, and then we'll have these lovely files. You can configure this file to your heart's content, but I'm not here to fiddle with the config. I'm here to pump out a starting test as quickly as possible. So enter Codegen. I can't put it better than the docs on this one. Playwright comes with the ability to generate tests out of the box and is a great way to quickly get started with testing. It will open two windows, a browser window where you interact with the website you wish to test, and the Playwright Inspector window where you can record your tests, copy the tests, clear your tests, as well as change the language of your tests. So, that sounds great, right? Let's fire it up. I'll rearrange the windows here a bit. Now, let's go ahead and log in. As I click around, you'll see Codegen ever so helpfully recorded my actions. It'll fill up this file here with clicks and text. Let's go ahead and log in with a random account I know doesn't exist. Now let's log in with an account I know exists. Beautiful. A bit more clicking around to showcase that Playwright is really recording my actionable things like clicking on links or button presses. And let's go ahead and take this recording and start making some assertions. I'll start by copying and pasting the recording. Then I'll add the specific assertions I want. Mainly, check to ensure my password took me back to the page that contains invalid as well as an invalid email. Then I'll add another assertion that after a correct login, I should be redirected to my home page. Before we test, let's get rid of the example.spec file here, just to keep this test run clean. All right, now let's run the test. But let's make this a bit more fun and have it play back to us visually using this command. And we failed. Checking the test, this is because our assertion of invalid for invalid password doesn't really exist. See, every manual line we usually have to write twice. Let's go ahead and fix that by using the expected URL and success. Let's pull up the report just to be complete here. And there we go. That's the end of this bite-sized guide about Playwright and Codegen. This really is just the beginning of where we can go with Playwright. Things like automated testing with GitHub Actions, email testing with us, MailSack. We haven't even touched on UI mode where we can step through tests in real time. If you want us to explore more GitHub Actions or headless options or anything else with Playwright, just please let us know in the comments or in our forums. We take feedback at our forums at forums.mailsack.com. This has been Luis from MailSack. Till next time.